Imagine having a personal assistant that never sleeps, never complains, and handles dozens of tasks every day. That's exactly what chatbots can do. Here are 5 genius ways to use chatbots in everyday life to save time, stay organized, and even make money. 1. Automate daily tasks. Chatbots like ChatGPT or Gemini can write emails, summarize notes, or plan your week. Ask, "Summarize my to-do list and organize it by priority." Done in seconds. Connect them to tools like Zapier or IFTTT to send messages, post updates, or generate reports automatically. Less time on small stuff, more time on what matters. 2. Manage your schedule. Chatbots sync with your calendar to handle meetings, reminders, and daily plans. Say, "Schedule a 30-minute workout every morning," or "Give me a daily summary of my priorities." You get instant organization, no juggling apps, no wasted time. 3. Handle customer support. If you run a business, chatbots can answer FAQs, take orders, or process refunds automatically. Platforms like ManyChat or TDO work 24/7 even while you sleep. Faster replies, happier customers, and no extra staff needed. 4. Boost learning and growth. Use chatbots as personal tutors or coaches. Ask, "Explain quantum physics like I'm 5," or "Create a 30-day plan to learn Spanish." They can quiz you, summarize books, and even turn notes into flashcards. It's like having a private teacher on demand. 5. Simplify daily life. Chatbots can plan meals, track budgets, or design vacations. Try, "Plan a 3-day trip to San Diego," or "Remind me to drink water every 2 hours." Connect them to Notion or Google Sheets to automate routines and goals. Bonus, combine them with Siri or Alexa for hands-free productivity. Say, "Hey Siri, tell ChatGPT to draft my meeting notes." So to recap, automate tasks, manage your schedule, handle customer support, boost learning, and simplify your daily life. Start using chatbots today and make your life simpler, smarter, and faster. This is Simple AI Life. AI made easy for everyone.